guys, I'm back. Today I'm on my church. We're gonna look at the fire alarm system. AFS 250. What? Look at the vid. There's the pole station. The pole station. And here's the horn. I'm gonna find this job. There's one way back down there. And then there's the strobe. And then got one way down there in the hallway. Crazy. Yeah. At some point I'm hoping the fire department will let me pull this down. I can't. Alright, bye guys.